welcome back to my channel where we do it positivity and good vibes only, and that's on what? Period. For those who don't know and for those who know, my name is Brittany, and as you guys can tell from the title, in today's video I'll be giving you guys realistic university tips. So for those who don't know, I attend UE, so the WJC campus at that, so it's easier for me to give you tips pertaining to UE. So that's mostly what I'll be doing. However, this can apply to any university that you're going to, and what's more at that is my tips will be mostly directed to freshers. So first thing first, welcome Pelicans, new Pelicans. This experience of being at the University of the West Indies will be an experience you guys will remember for the rest of your life, I can tell you that. So now let's get into my tips. So my first tip to you guys is go to academic sessions. So in my first year, I did not go to academic advising sessions, and I had to suffer the consequences of not knowing what classes to sign up for, to register for, and everything was just a headache for me. So to save you guys a headache, go to your academic advising sessions, because that's where you will find the different academic departments. They're ready to tell you guys what courses you're to register for, what courses are offered in semester 1, all of that. So yes, now after going to your academic advising sessions, it's time for you to register. How do you register for courses? You uses this platform named SAS, and I think it's www. I'll link the link for you to go on SAS in my description box. Yes, so go on SAS and you're of course gonna click on student, go in registration and go for add classes. Click your semester, which obviously will be semester 1, and you sign up for your classes. Now let me tell you guys something that is important about signing up for your classes. When it comes to early morning classes, 8 o'clock university time and 8 o'clock high school time is not the same. You see, when you can get up to go to high school and by 8 o'clock you're feeling well active and such at university, oh no. So if you can pick a 9 o'clock class, that will be the best thing to do. 9 o'clock is when your mind is gonna feel a lot better to do work. Yes, and also if you have the option of picking morning versus evening classes, pick morning classes, because any class after probably about 1 o'clock is gonna have you feeling drained, especially now that it is online classes, everything is online. Picking classes before 1 o'clock is best, because come on, sitting on the laptop or your phone for hours of the night, it's gonna be really draining for you guys. So it's better to pick morning classes when you're up, ready, active, before you waste any energy. Yes, so after registering for your classes, I know that for WJC campus, some things are a little bit tedious, so it is best for you to know all the necessary contact information for your school. Know your department email and phone number. So if you're in the psychology department, know the psychology department email as well as your phone number. Know the school's main office email and phone number. Yes guys, it is very helpful. And also, when you email them once, sometimes you might have to email them twice and do a follow-up phone call. Okay guys, so don't just call once, you don't get a response, and you go, oh, no. You need to write an email and send it to your department and tell them your problem. Yes. So don't just sit there. You can email them and they will give you a response. Next thing is you need to get to know your council members. So especially your different academic department rep. So you know we have a humanities department, a social science, science and medicine. Yes, so each of those departments, they have a representative. Know those representatives. I'm telling you, it is very helpful. Know your council members. They are the ones who are going to be there to help you throughout your whole entire university experience. Yes, because they have been there before, so they will be better knowledge to help you guys. My next thing, be present for all classes. Let me tell you something that I didn't know until probably a little later. Attendance counts. So for specific courses, example, Fountain 13 will be a roller coaster experience for you guys. Let me say that. It's gonna take you through a lot of emotions. So, how do you pass Fountain 13? Besides, of course, doing stuff academically, is being present for classes. For me, my presence at class is what helped me to pass. Why? You're given marks for presence, sweetheart. Yes, you are. So you're graded out of 100%, and of course, for each class that you miss, a nice 10% is subtracted. So you see, when you get like a low grade academically, you're going to need that 100% to bring you up. So say you got like 50% academically, you're gonna need all of that 100%. If you dare get an 80% or a 90%, you're failing that course. Yes, it all adds up in the end. So be present for your classes. Even if you can't be present for the entire class, sign in, log on, be there for a while so that the system can pick up that you are present. Okay? Yes. Next thing, so know your lecturer's email address. I know that some lecturers don't like giving out their phone numbers. They don't like to be contacted via phone calls or messages. So you need to know their email address and email them. Yes. Also, bear in mind that most lecturers, this isn't their only job. The course that they're teaching is possibly not their only course. So they may not respond to you at the time that you want them to respond. So just be a little bit patient. But still email them. Next thing is RVLE and Turnitin and your personal email that the school provides you are 3 things that you're going to need to continuously be on. Now let me tell you guys about RVLE. It's actually pronounced OURVLE, but that's kind of too long for me to say, so I say RVLE. Yes. RVLE is a platform that we use to do classes. It's where your lecturers will message you on or post notes in forums and stuff like that. So you will need to be on RVLE even on days when you don't have classes, because that day might be when the lecturer say something to you that is going to be important. Yes. Next thing is Turnitin. Now, is Turnitin, it's not possibly not going to be your best friend. It's not my best friend either, because Turnitin is something that the lecturers use to know if you are plagiarizing and stuff like that. So when you turn in your work on Turnitin, sometimes you might see a 90% similarity. So always ensure that whatever you give in is less than 10% similarity. Any similarity shown should be the name of the institution and stuff like that. So don't plagiarize, guys. I am telling you. Do not go online, copy somebody else's work. Don't go to your friend, copy their work either. Don't even think about changing possibly like 1 or 2 words out of the sentence and think it's gonna be different. Oh no, it's not going to be. That's plagiarism, same way. So think it from your head, guys, so that you don't fail, because if you're caught plagiarizing, you can possibly be expelled from the school. You'll fail that course. Yes, so don't do it, guys. I'm telling you. So whereas in high school we could copy something and slap it on a paper and turn it into our teachers, that won't, or it just won't work. Yes. So next thing is the school email, that your personal email provided by the school. This email is what the school will give to you, and it is what they will contact you through. So throughout your entire university experience, that is the email that you're supposed to check, because anything that Turnitin has to say to you, once you have any exam, you've submitted any exam, coursework, anything, that's the email that everything will come to. Yes. So my final tip to you guys, because I don't want to make this video too long, is stay ahead in classes. Yes. Most lecturers, they do give you a course outline. So it is your responsibility to basically, for every topic that they're gonna discuss and stuff, you go and do your own research on it, because lecturers are gonna continuously remind you, you're here at the University of the West Indies to read for your degree. They're not gonna spoon feed you with anything. So you have to go do your own research. So stay ahead so that when you're going to class, you're not just there not knowing anything, because trust me, that can be tedious. If you stay ahead when you're going to class, you know what the teacher is saying, you kind of like understand and things like that. So guys, that is all I have to say to you guys. So all incoming and new students to university, yes, that's my tips for you guys. And for those who didn't watch my video, which is 10 tips to survive online classes, the link will be right here. You guys can go right here. The link will be somewhere up here, and also in my description box. You guys can check that out and give it a thumbs up, of course. If you haven't subscribed already, by the way, and you're at the end of this video, what are you doing? Like, come on, just click it. Like, black period, right? So I will be doing my best to give the WJC students a campus tour. So I am aware that there is not any campus tour on YouTube for you guys to watch, and I know that some of you possibly won't be seeing the campus for this semester. So I'll be trying to give you guys a campus tour so that you guys can have a little knowledge of what your school is like, so when you do go on campus, you aren't lost. Yes. Next thing that you're supposed to know your council members. So I will be leaving a link in my description box of the UE Mona WJC and the UE Mona main campus. There are links to their guild council Instagram page, so that you guys can follow them and stay up to date on what's going on with your campus. And so as I said before, subscribe to my channel, follow me on Instagram, of course, at @Deeja. Link will be in the description box below. Stay tuned for my next video, and of course, don't forget to tell a friend, take a little stop by, come over here, watch a little video, show some love, subscribe. Yes, let's let's get this channel to 1K subscribers. I have been doing some giveaways in my previous video. Congratulations, by the way. So our giveaway winner, I will be linking her channel somewhere here, yes, and also in the description box so that you guys can follow her. She was the winner of our first giveaway. Our second giveaway has no winner as yet. You guys can go and watch the video so that you guys can know how to enter the giveaway and how to be a winner. So yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you for staying tuned. Campus tour coming up, of course, very soon. So peace out, guys.